Today, we are diving into a step-by-step guide on creating a stunning one-bead acrylic nail extension. We will walk you through the essential prep process. Begin by gently pushing back your cuticles using a cuticle pusher. In the next step, grab your cuticle cutter and pay close attention. Precision is key as you trim the cuticle, ensuring not to cut too close to avoid any discomfort or bleeding. Stay focused on the cuticle area, removing only dry skin for a clean and hygienic process. Let's maintain that perfect balance and professional looking result. As we progress, the next crucial step is buffing your nails. Begin from the cuticle area, moving towards the free walls, and then focus on middle part. But remember, when buffing towards the cuticle, concentrate on the natural nails, avoiding the cuticle area to prevent any potential bleeding. Buffing is a vital preparation for the upcoming nail extension, so stay focused and make the foundation for flawless results. As we proceed, the next step involves sizing the fake nail to perfectly match your natural nails. Pay attention to achieving the ideal shape, ensuring the fake nail isn't too wide or extending beyond your natural nail. Strive for equal width for maintain a seamless look. Once sized, apply glue to the designated portion on the fake nail, ensuring proper coverage. Carefully affix it to your natural nail, taking special care to avoid any bubbles during the process. A bubble-free application ensures a secure bond and long-lasting results. Moving ahead, it's time to cut the fake nails to your preferred size using a tip cutter. Once sized, shape the walls of the fake nails to achieve the desired oval shape, utilizing a nail cutter or scissor. Be cautious not to trim too much as it may affect the overall appearance. After shaping, lightly buff the edges to refine the oval form, ensuring a seamless blend by buffing the middle part of both the natural and fake nails, creating an even surface for natural look. Follow for this step for perfectly shaped and polished nails. As a final touch, use a brush to clean any particles on your nails. Moving forward, apply dehydrator exclusively to your natural nails. Ensure throughout application across all fingers for optimal results. Let's wrap up this preparation for flawless finish. Moving on to the acrylic application. Prepare by pouring monomer into the damping dish. Dip your acrylic brush into the monomer, allowing it to breathe and releasing any stiffness. Move the brush from left to right to let bubble escape, ensuring smooth movement. Once the brush is ready, take a thicker bead for the first application of one-bead acrylic extension. Carefully place the bead near the cuticle, avoiding direct contact, and start the journey to a flawless acrylic finish. For the flawless fold bead technique, begin by dipping the brush into monomer, swiping it onto the damping dish, and turning the brush to dip the unswept part into the acrylic. Gently tap to gather a thicker bead, placing it on the natural nail. Swipe off excess acrylic. Dip the brush in monomer and scrub the acrylic from the cuticle to the tip. Remember, the nail should always be positioned downwards for a seamless acrylic extension. Repeat these steps on all the fingers for consistent one-bead acrylic extensions. Practice daily to keep your hands skilled in the art of nail extensions. Regular practice is the key to perfection, so make it a habit. If you have any questions about the acrylic process or any nail extension techniques, feel free to drop them into the comments. I will create a video addressing your queries and guiding you through the process. Keep practicing and enjoy the journey. After completing the acrylic application on all fingers, the next crucial step is buffing to achieve a balanced and natural look. Carefully buff out any excess acrylic, ensuring a smooth and even surface. Use the same gentle technique across all fingers, taking care not to harm or touch the cuticles. Once done, admire the transformed nails with a plain surface resembling natural nail. Now the next step in our nail transformation journey, it's time to add a pop of color with the cherry chip gel polish. Remember, the first layer should be delicately thin to prevent premature drying or smudging. Take a small amount of gel polish, placing it in the middle of the nail, then skillfully guide it from the cuticle towards the tip. This technique ensures an even application without excess polish near the cuticle. Be attentive to detail and apply the same method across all fingers. After curing the first layer of gel polish for 30 seconds, it's time to add second coat using the same technique explained earlier. Cure this second layer for 60 seconds. Following this, seal the vibrant colors with a top shiny coat, applying it with the same precision as the gel polish. Cure the top coat for 30 seconds and your nails are ready to shine. If you found this tutorial enjoyable and informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more nail art tutorial in the future.